We got about 12 inches of snow in the last about 2 hours. It's a blizzard. I love it. And this is all lake effect too. That guy just got that car, and I can tell you, Escapes ain't bad in the winter. Like I have all-wheel drive. They're not bad, but they're not that good. All-wheel drive ain't what you want here. You want to have fucking four-wheel, but boy, how the fuck did people get by in the 70s, man, when they had nothing but rear-wheel drive? That's fucked up. 90% of cars were rear-wheel drive back in the 70s and 80s. You're fucked. You're literally fucked. This guy drives too slow. I mean, I understand this car's not as good as mine, but you gotta drive faster, guy.